When creating sales tax agencies in QuickBooks Online, if using the automatic sales tax feature, you enter the agency name of the agency for whom you are collecting sales tax. When you save the agency, QuickBooks Online automatically creates an associated sales tax payable register for the agency in the chart of accounts. All the agency's sales taxes collected appear in the associated sales tax agency name payable register in the chart of accounts, where sales tax agency name is the name given to the sales tax agency. So, to view the sales tax transactions in the sales tax payable account for a sales tax agency, you must know the name of the sales tax agency. To find the name of your taxing agencies, click the Sales Tax Settings link under the Sales Tax app in the All Apps bar to open the Sales Tax Settings page, which contains the list of tax agencies, where you can then find that information. To then view a register for an agency, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar and select the Chart of Accounts link to open the Chart of Accounts window. Then, look within the Other Current Liabilities accounts for the account named Sales Tax Agency Name Payable, where Sales Tax Agency Name is the name of the sales tax agency. After finding this account, click the View Register link under its Action column to open its register and view its transactions. Do not directly edit the transactions in this register, as that can interrupt sales tax tracking in QuickBooks Online. However, you can view the transactions. To view or edit the original form associated with the transaction in this register if needed, click the transaction line and then click the Edit button that appears below the line to open the original form. You can then edit the original transaction in the form if needed to correct any mistakes with sales tax tracking for the current sales tax period. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.